Microsoft Office plugins come with every edition of Revu and the Bluebeam PDF printer that will convert any page with a print option to a PDF. Revu CAD and Revu Extreme comes with additional plugins for Autodesk CAD, Revit, Navisworks, SketchUp Pro, and SolidWorks. For most Microsoft products like Word, Excel, and Outlook, the plugin can be found in the Home ribbon to the right. In the Bluebeam options, click Create PDF. This converts the open, active document to a PDF using predetermined settings. Adjust these settings by clicking Change Settings. From there, in the General Settings tab, select what the plugin will print, in what quality, and where to save it. Under Page Setup, the software uses the page settings directly from the file, but can be customized by changing it from the drop-down menu. Custom allows for one-time adjustments, while Global allows you to save and import custom settings that you might share with coworkers. The PDF Security tab lets you add a password to open the document or limit editing and printing permissions. Click OK to save and close the document, or Create File to create the PDF and open it up in Revu. To add a stamp from Revu to a document, click on the Stamps tab, then Add. The Stamp dialog box appears with a drop-down menu to select a stamp. There are a few options to change how the stamp looks on the page. If you need to edit the stamp, click Edit Stamp, and Revu will open the stamp in Stamp Edit mode. Click OK when you're happy with it. Back in the Stamps tab, you can add more by clicking Add, edit a stamp by clicking Modify, or delete a selected stamp. If you want to make the file you're working on with a stamp, click Create File. If the program allows for file attachments, the File Attachments tab will be visible. Click Add. From there, click Browse to navigate to the appropriate file, which can be a PDF or non-PDF. Change where the attachment is placed on the document using the X and Y coordinates, or select the drop-down menu to select the page section. Then click OK. You can add more files, modify a file by selecting the file, then clicking Modify, and delete a file by clicking Delete. Click OK when you're happy, and the attachment will appear as a paperclip icon. In the Signatures tab, you can create a digital signature field by clicking the Add button below. Enter in a title and description. Manually enter the X and Y coordinates to where you want the signature field to be placed, or select a page region from the drop-down menu. Then click OK. Keep in mind, some Microsoft programs like Outlook won't have all of these options available. From the Bluebeam plugin, you can create batch PDFs. If you have an open document, a warning appears. In the Bluebeam Batch menu, the startup asks to create a new batch or open an existing one. If you have opened a batch recently, that file will appear below in the Recent box. Select New Batch and select folders or individual files to add. You can adjust the pages used and the page setup options from the drop-down menus. You can determine the output as one single output file, one output file per document, or one output file per page. You also have some advanced options available. Make sure to select the output folder. There are additional options for the batch feature as well. If running a program with a print option, you can select the Bluebeam PDF printer as an option. Go to File, Print, and select Bluebeam PDF as the printer. Adjust the printing parameters, then click Print.